In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make calls using Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a call to a lead right from your CRM screen, so you can connect faster and keep your outreach neatly documented. Before we start, make sure you're signed into Zoho CRM and that your telephony integration, such as Zoho Phone Bridge or your connected provider, is already set up by you or your admin. That way, the call button will work as expected. From the Zoho CRM home screen, head to the Leads module. This is where all your potential customers live before they become contacts or deals. You can get there using the main navigation bar or the sidebar, depending on your layout. If you have a lot of records, use the search or your saved views to narrow things down. Think of this step as moving to the right list before you pick the exact person to call. Next, choose the lead you want to reach. You can click directly on the lead's name to open the record and see full details. It's a good idea to confirm there's a valid phone number on file and that it looks correctly formatted with the right country code if you're calling internationally. While you're here, quickly review recent notes or activities so you have context for the conversation. This preparation helps you sound informed and increases your chances of a productive call. When you're ready, look for the phone number field on the lead's record and click the small phone icon next to it to place the call. Zoho will route the call through your connected telephony provider, and you'll see a call bar or pop-up showing the status. If your browser prompts for microphone access, allow it so the audio works properly. During the call, you can usually mute, hold, or transfer depending on your integration. When the call ends, Zoho typically logs it automatically and may show a wrap-up panel where you can add notes, set a call outcome, and schedule a next follow-up. Take a moment to capture key points while they're fresh. If the call icon is disabled or nothing happens, double-check that the lead has a valid number and that your phone integration is qualified. For best audio quality, use a headset and a stable internet connection, and always follow your organization's calling and recording policies. That's it. Open leads, pick your lead, and click the phone icon to call. With this workflow, every conversation is tied to the record, keeping your pipeline tidy and your team aligned. Thanks for watching and happy calling.